So we're very fortunate to have a current NRL player, Faamanu from the Cronulla Sharks. He's come to the Toa residence training today to coach and inspire the players in their forthcoming game against Tonga in Hawaii. He spent some time with the coaches tonight talking about plays and structures on how to go forth and beat Tonga. Also spent time with the Pacific Games 9 side with the players and the coaches, and just sharing his influence and knowledge with the players. Obviously playing in the NRL, he's one of the best players in the world, and for him to be able to come here to the Toa residence training today and share his knowledge is great for Samoa. It's great for Rugby League Samoa and of course the NRL.
Yeah, it's obviously a blessing for me to be here in my home country in Samoa, to give back to the community, to give back to the players that play here, and for me to be here at the Toa Samoa residence training, it's a blessing for me just to give my knowledge to them, and for them, I guess it's just a blessing for them to have that kind of quality of player to be here. So it's been an awesome session today. Obviously learning the plays and also motivation as well, and knowing that there's actually hope of them becoming an NRL player, or becoming a Toa Samoa player. So it's been a dream come true for me, and I'll never forget this experience. So thank you.
Yeah, I'm very proud to welcome the Australian High Commissioner with us this morning. She's here and she's very happy to be with us, as she loves sports. I think that's why she's beautiful and she loves the kids.
Oh, I'm delighted to be here. This is my first visit to Mangiangi Primary School, and just terrific to see so many young children here today engaged in rugby league. And through the NRL, the Australian National Rugby League, and with Brandon COSTIN here, who is here on an outreach program, encouraging young boys and also young girls to play rugby league, but also to be encouraged to play sport, to participate in sport, not just boys, but girls as well, and also right through their lives, and how important sport is to lead a healthy and fulfilling life.
Oh, it was amazing. I mean, we went to a school earlier today, and there's just so many kids and parents, and everyone was welcoming, and then we just had fun kicking the ball around with the kids today. So yeah, I'm loving it. I've never been to Samoa before, and I really enjoyed it.
Isso vai